class. To increase the amount of surplus capital, a capitalist continues to increase the amount of constant capital and reduces the number of variable capital. Due to this, the number of unemployed workers, who constitutes a large segment of the society, increases. Being unemployed, their income further declines and their purchasing power to buy commodities also decreases. As a result, overproduction in the society takes place, and so capitalists further retrench more workers, resulting in further decrease in the purchasing power of the society. All this indicates the crisis of capitalism. By this process, the number of unemployed people continue to increase. Keeping this in view, workers organize themselves to conform the production relations with the force of production, and they get changed the private property into the social property. A new system called socialism comes into existence in place of capitalism.